For over 45 years, Jaqua Realtors has been offering exemplary services to our clients and customers. We have helped thousands navigate the real estate transaction. At Jaqua, we have a very unique competitive advantage in innovative services that extend way beyond the transaction. I encourage you to discover the difference.
Year-long training and
weekly sales meetings,
marketing and graphic design team,
full-time technology trainer with technology tools,
executive coaching,
support system for our agents,
professional photography,
management team,
corporate relocation,
home staging and interior design,
property management and
vacation rentals,
family services,
culture and family.